Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of dress pants specifically. How to fix those common sewing and fitting issues that can turn a wardrobe staple into a frustrating challenge. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or a complete beginner, these professional tips will help you achieve a perfect fit and keep your favorite pants looking their best. First up, let's address the dreaded waistband issues. If your waistband is too tight, consider carefully letting out the seam allowance. This involves gently removing the stitching along the waistband seam and adding a small amount of fabric. For a waistband that's too loose, you might need to take in the seam allowance or even add elastic for a more comfortable fit. Remember to use a seam ripper to carefully remove stitches and avoid damaging the fabric. Next, we'll tackle the issues of length and hem. The correct pant length is crucial for a polished look. To hem your pants, first, put them on with the shoes you plan to wear. Then, use pins to mark the desired hemline. For a classic hem, fold the fabric up along the pin line. Press it, and then sew it in place. A blind hem stitch is a great option for an invisible finish. If your pants are too long, you can also have them professionally shortened. Now, let's look at common fitting issues in the seat and thighs. If your pants are too tight in the seat, you might be able to let out the back seam. For more significant adjustments, consider adding a fabric panel. If your pants are baggy in the seat, you can take in the back seam for a better fit. As for the thighs, if they're too tight, you can let out the inseam, or, for more extensive alterations, consider adding a gusset. Another common problem is the presence of wrinkles. Wrinkles often indicate fit issues. For wrinkles under the seat, consider letting out the back seam or adding a dart. For wrinkles at the front, you might need to adjust the crotch depth. Pressing your pants properly can minimize wrinkles, but keep in mind that ironing alone will not solve fitting problems. Finally, let's talk about seam repairs. Loose seams are a common issue that you can easily fix. Carefully restitch the seam with a sewing machine or by hand. If a seam has completely come undone, you might need to replace the thread or reinforce the seam with a new piece of fabric. Make sure to use the correct type of needle and thread for your fabric. Remember, patience is key. Sewing and fitting dress pants can be a rewarding process. With practice, you'll be able to identify and fix common issues, achieving a perfect fit every time. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!